Gates open, they're up and racing. 9 Dragon draws for your lead. Lucky Touch moving up down on the inside. Benissimo is running on the outside. Then followed by entry number 4, and that is Henry Sugar. Lever Action, Be Nice as they round the last 600. Lucky Touch by the rail. Benissimo is on the outside. Watching in third is the favorite 9 Dragon, moving up on the outside. Be Nice, Lever Action, Henry Sugar as the action turns for home. Now Benissimo running on the outside. Lucky Touch fighting back down on the inside. 9 Dragon is on the outside. Lucky Touch, Benissimo, 9 Dragon, and comes entry number 4, Henry Sugar, and leading the finish line. Benissimo, Lucky Touch, 9 Dragon is on the outside, and leading the finish line. It's going to be close. Benissimo, 9 Dragon. Then comes Lucky Touch, number 5, Lever Action, Henry Sugar, and Be